from Web Services Cloud Quest Generative AI Practitioner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been following me, you already know I've shared tons of videos, Cloud Practitioner and Solutions Architect Labs, so this is the perfect next step to level up our cloud skills. In this series, we are going to explore hands-on scenarios, fun tests, and practical exercises that will help you understand how to use AI in the cloud, all while we are having a bit of fun along the way. If you are ready to learn, play, and build your cloud skills, make sure you stick around and let's get started. Let's see what the case is. We want to empower our engineering staff to learn prompt engineering techniques. That sounds like a great initiative. To start, we can explore some prompt engineering techniques through Amazon SageMaker Studio. Show us how to start. Gladly, a good starting point is to identify specific areas in your development process where prompt engineering can be applied, such as code generation or automated testing. We can safely experiment with these by using SageMaker Studio notebooks. That makes sense. We can compare different model outputs when using the same prompt with SageMaker Studio. Yes, we definitely can. Incorporating SageMaker Jumpstart, we can quickly deploy different models and test the prompts against them. Can we customize these techniques to better fit our specific needs? Yes, we can tailor the prompts and techniques to align with unique development processes and goals. Okay, let's start as soon as possible. Accept the challenge and let's start. In this lab, we are going to start with SageMaker AI. We are going to select Studio. And let's go to Jumpstart. Now we are going to search for providers DeepSeek. 1.5 and deploy. Let's copy the endpoint. It's still creating, so we just need to wait a little bit. Now it's showing in service, and then we will go to Jupyter Lab. We see this as stopped, and we are going to run it. It's all ready for us. Now we can open. We can now review the file. Python 3 kernel is selected. This part we are going to go and change the endpoint name that we copied and run this code. So we need to run each model with prompts. you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out other playlists on my channel where I will share other generative AI labs, cloud practitioner and solutions architect labs. There is plenty more hands-on learning waiting for you, and if you are interested in vibe coding, automations and exploring all kinds of tech topics, stick around and hit that follow button so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!